Teks berita Aurelia. Struktur berita newsworthy event. Bagian ini bisa disebut juga sebagai main event atau kejadian inti yang ingin ditulis dalam ringkasan sebuah teks. Biasanya informasi yang berupa peristiwa atau kejadian berbentuk ringkasan dengan inti yang mudah dipahami. 2. Background event. Background event adalah latar belakang sesuatu peristiwa wajib ditulis sejelas mungkin dalam sebuah berita. Latar belakang wajib memiliki 5W plus 1H untuk mempermudah pembaca dalam memahami konteks tulisan. Jangan sampai kamu membuat bingung para pembaca dengan latar belakang yang tidak lengkap dan malah membuat tulisan tidak layak diberitakan. 3. Start merupakan sumber yang perlu kamu cantumkan dalam sebuah tulisan. Dalam menulis sumber, kamu harus memperhatikan keaslian atau keabsahan sumber. Sumber bisa diambil dari jurnal ilmiah, saksi mata, atau pendapat para ahli yang sudah diterbitkan. Teks berita tidak langsung. Berita.com Surabaya. Torrential downpour generated by solid wind devastated many homes. Individuals who are living in the town Surabaya, East Java, did not accept that their homes were wrecked as a result of a tornado, as demonstrated in Net TV Afternoon News, Thursday, 50 Maret 2050. When the occurrence occurred, the individual overboarded by escaping the wind was so solid we all used up the house, the ground, that the rooftop until scattered, said a villager. The occupant whose house broken need to clear a neighbor home whose house made away from tornado. The episode come about misfortune up to several $1 million. In the interim of putting beliung tram down electrical cable and various trees in Surabaya, Madura, Surated power the pond where detected solid wind likewise demolished a sanctuary there. The solid wind thumped down the wall outside and flew rooftop sanctuary, said one of occupants as per BMKG Region I Surabaya, Madura. The solid wind that happened in Madura called windy wind which was spirit shot at very hard AM. Teks berita langsung. Jakarta collision streak going on the Hotel Indonesia Roundabout leads to General Sudirman Central, Jakarta Tuesday night. 4 cars become victims in the event of Nahas. This event presented by Amelia citizen who crossed the line 7:23 GMT. According to the organization of Amelia, the front car suffered severe damage. He said the band one of the car even apart. An example of the text they knew about the accident. There was a collision struck di Bundaran HI direction Sudirman. 4 cars badly damaged. 1 car out of the track wrote her in Twitter account Amelia by Tuesday 6 September 199. There is already an emergency handing of the police, however, for centering about the loss of life, the identity of the car, as well as material loss are unknown. Look, there been the handing of the police, Amelia added. Early this morning, devastated to crash also occurred on 2 trucks and a car in the area. The Mosque 18 Tower Tamini Square, Taman Mini, Indonesia Indah, TMII, East Jakarta. The incident began when a cement-laden truck passing off the street of Taman Mini. However, it turned out the truck took the opposite like direction from north of south. Up in the area, the Mosque 18, a truck driven by a sudden car crashed into Hausan Group's Daihatsu due to the collision. A car hit by a Toyota Fortuner participated. Fortunately, only a boxcar driver suffered minor injuries. Thank you.